I'm going to show you how to install your Kryvo Hi, my name is Kaylee, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install your Kryvo Cargo under tonneau cover toolbox in the bed of your 2022 and up Toyota Tundra. Grab a T40 Torx bit. You'll need to remove the two tie downs in your Toyota Tundra that are closest to the truck's cab. If you have a bed liner, use a razor to carefully cut away any bed liner material that's filling the bolt heads. Keep using that T40 Torx bit. Now take out the 7 screws that hold the track system bar at the front of your truck bed. Take the passenger side support bracket and install it as shown. Don't tighten the bolts all the way. Leave them a bit loose so you can still adjust the bracket back and forth. Repeat the same process for the driver's side support bracket. You'll definitely want an extra set of hands for this next step. Angle the toolbox into the truck bed, just like you see in the video. As you move the toolbox toward the cab, straighten it out and lift it up over the wheel wells. Lean the toolbox forward. This helps it clear the bed cover's support bar. Carefully rest the toolbox on the support brackets. Make absolutely sure it's sitting on top of them. If the toolbox isn't level, it means a support bracket isn't quite right. Don't worry. Just reach under the toolbox, support its weight, and pull the bracket forward until it's level. In this next step, use extra caution to ensure you are not cross-threading the bolts. You can shimmy the box up and down while gently installing the screws. Be sure you are easily able to install the screws and get at least 4 good turns by hand. Now install the screws into the support brackets. If needed, you can shift the brackets back and forth a bit to line up the screw holes. Using an impact or the provided Allen wrench, tighten up all the bolts and screws. Don't forget to tighten up the support brackets and tie downs with a T40 Torx. Next, install the driver's side support strut as shown. You will need 5 bolts and nuts. Completely install and tighten at this time. Perform the same step for the passenger side support strut. Congratulations on completing the installation of your Kryvo toolbox. You can now reinstall your bed cover.